Do you host an Airbnb and earn in dollars? Here is how to file your rental income taxes with KRA, fast and easy. Who this video is for? If you are hosting an Airbnb in Kenya and guests pay you in USD or any foreign currency through PayPal, Wise or your bank, or even M-Pesa, then yes, you are required to file tax returns with KRA. Is Airbnb income taxable in Kenya? Yes, your Airbnb income is taxable. KRA treats it as either rental income or business income, and you must declare it even if it's in dollars. Which tax applies? There are two options. One, monthly rental income tax or the MRI, which is a flat rate of 7.5%. Then two, the normal regime or the normal yearly taxable income, where you are taxed based on rental or business rates. Most Airbnb hosts prefer the MRI for simplicity. So what if I'm paid in USD? Even if you are paid in dollars, you still file and pay in Kenya shillings. Use the CBK exchange rate on the date you receive the money. Always keep screenshots or receipts from PayPal or your bank or Airbnb. So these are the things to do. Step 1, track your Airbnb income. Start by tracking every income in every month in Kenya shillings. Use payout reports from Airbnb or export statements from PayPal or Wise or M-Pesa. Save all emails and SMS confirmations too. Step 2, register from MRI if you have not done so. If you haven't already registered, log into your iTax and add monthly rental income as a tax obligation. You don't need to open a company. Individuals can register too. I have linked a step-by-step video tutorial in the description and at the top of your screen. Step 3, file monthly return. Every month by the 20th, file your MRI return on iTax. Just enter your gross rental income in Kenya shillings. The system will auto-calculate the 7.5% tax. Watch my detailed tutorial linked below and on the screen. Step 4, pay using the Eslip. After filing, download the KRA payment slip. You can pay via M-Pesa or your bank, no need for an agent. Save your payment confirmation. I have linked a full payment guide in the description below. What if I don't file at all? If you don't file at all, you'll be fined 2,000 shillings per month plus 5% of any tax owed. Even if you didn't earn much, file a zero return to avoid penalties. What if I file but not pay? If you file the return but fail to pay, KRA will treat it as unpaid tax. You will be charged a 5% penalty plus 1% interest every month until it's cleared. So make sure you complete the process. So what about expenses? Under the MRI, you can't deduct expenses. It's a flat tax on your total income. If you spend a lot running your Airbnb, you might want to consider the normal rental regime instead. In my next video, I have explained the difference between the MRI and the normal regime. You can have a look at it and then you can make an informed decision. So to recap, Airbnb USD income is taxable in Kenya. Convert it to Kenya shillings using the CBK rates. File under MRI if eligible and always pay your tax through iTax. I have linked all the tutorials to help you step by step. Final tip, keep neat digital records like the Airbnb payouts, PayPal or bank confirmations, and exchange rate references. It makes tax filing faster and protects you in case of an audit. Was this video helpful? Tap like, subscribe, and share to support the channel. And check out our other tax guides uploaded every week.